Nice to see you in one lovely piece, Spider-Man.
Yeah, you too. The Bugle was not on Kingpin's target list.
Yeah, it's a shame when a girl can't slap accurate information out of a goon.
What is this world coming to?
I did try to follow some of those bad boys you were playing with, and they seemed to just disappear.
I see, which probably means a secret base.
Exactly. What good are evil henchmen without a secret base?
Maybe I should pay them a call. Welcome them to the neighborhood, Spidey style.
Sounds like fun. See you after you smash the little hideout.
Count on it.